When does "we're investigating" stop being responsible and start being unsafe? So I got another letter here that raises this exact question. So here we go. Ryan, a senior manager, screamed at someone in a meeting, threw a laptop bag. No one was physically hurt, but people were shaken. HR told the team, please don't discuss this while we're investigating. Meanwhile, that manager is still leading meetings, nothing happened. People are afraid to speak up. How does the leadership integrity test apply here? Yes, it absolutely does. So let's walk through it. The leadership integrity test has 3 steps. Act, announce, act again. First, act. When there is a violent or aggressive outburst, yelling or throwing objects, it's scaring people, action is required immediately. This does not mean punishment, it means protection. So if people feel unsafe, leadership has to intervene right away. Leaving the manager in place while the investigation happens sends a message, even if unintentionally, that fear is acceptable collateral damage. So 2, announce. Please don't discuss this without any visible leadership response. Creates silence, not safety. You don't need to share details. You don't need to assign blame, but you do need to say, we are taking this seriously, we are investigating, and we are prioritizing safety. And here's what's changing right now while this happens. Silence plus inaction doesn't calm people, it amplifies fear. So step 3, act again. Here's the part leaders often miss. Separate people during an investigation protects everyone, including the person being investigated. You're not declaring guilt, you're reducing risk. Think of it like a referee in a boxing match. When things get out of control, you put people in their corners, not as a punishment, but to restore safety and order. Temporarily removal from leadership duties, remote work, or reassignment during an investigation isn't extreme, it's responsible. So look, if leadership allows someone who's frightened a team to continue leading as if nothing happened, they are failing the leadership integrity test. Not because they're investigating, but because they didn't make people feel safe while they're investigating. Again, to whoever sent this, thank you. If anybody is experiencing this, fear at work is not a leadership tax you're required to pay. If you want to submit something to me, you can submit it at Ryan Sail, like a sailboat, SAIL.com. Thanks.